Got our cylinder installed on the 562. I did pull the coil wire out this way to get better clearance here, not to have to fumble with that. As we installed the cylinder, we installed the throttle cable, which had to come out before the cylinder would come out. Everything is clean, blowed out, and depending on what we do when we get our upgrade kit or our O-rings, we'll get the car back in and do a test run. I also acquired the other clutch spring, and we'll install that also. I keep talking about that in all the videos. We've got us a clutch spring now. So right there it is. It does not look like the right one, but we'll see. Thank you for watching.